In this video, we'll be sharing 10 frugal living tips that can help you make the most of your money and reduce your financial stress. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some new frugal living strategies. Frugal living tip U1. Utilize library resources. Not only do library resources save you money, but they can also help you learn new skills and explore new topics. You can access language courses, business resources, and even genealogy databases, all for free. And because libraries are community hubs, you can often attend events and meet like-minded individuals who share your interests. Plus, using library resources can reduce your environmental impact. Instead of buying books or DVDs that will eventually end up in a landfill, you can borrow them from the library and return them when you're finished. This reduces waste and supports a sustainable way of life. In short, utilizing library resources is an excellent way to save money, learn new things, and support your local community. So dust off your library card and start exploring all that your local library has to offer. Frugal living tip 2. Make your own cleaning products. That's right. Making your own cleaning products is a great way to save money and reduce your exposure to potentially harmful chemicals. Plus, you can customize your cleaning products to your specific needs, such as making an all-purpose cleaner, a window cleaner, or a toilet bowl cleaner. Some common ingredients used in DIY cleaning products include vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Not only are these ingredients affordable and easily accessible, but they're also effective at removing dirt and grime. Plus, they're natural, which means you don't have to worry about inhaling harmful fumes or touching toxic chemicals. Not only can making your own cleaning products save you new money, but it's also better for the environment. By reducing your reliance on store-bought cleaning products, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable way of life. In short, making your own cleaning products is a simple and effective way to save money and reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your home and in your wallet? Frugal living tip 3. Use cash envelopes. Cash envelopes are a budgeting tool that involves dividing your cash into specific categories, such as groceries, entertainment, or clothing. You then place the designated amount of cash into each envelope, and when the money is gone, you stop spending in that category until the next month. Using cash envelopes is a powerful way to keep yourself accountable and prevent overspending. It forces you to be more mindful of your spending habits and encourages you to prioritize your expenses. Plus, by using cash, you can avoid the temptation to spend money you don't have, which can lead to credit card debt and financial stress. Another benefit of using cash envelopes is that it can help you save money in the long run. When you're more mindful of your spending, you're less likely to make impulse purchases or overspend in certain categories. This can result in significant savings over time, which can be put towards your financial goals, such as paying off debt or saving for a down payment on a home. Frugal living tip E4. DIY household cleaners. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. DIY household cleaners are a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to traditional cleaning products. Not only are they affordable and easy to make, but they're also free from harsh chemicals and toxins, which makes them safer for you, your family, and the environment. Some common ingredients used in DIY household cleaners include vinegar, baking soda, essential oils, and lemon juice. These natural ingredients are not only effective at removing dirt and grime, but they also leave your home smelling fresh and clean. DIY household cleaners can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks, from wiping down countertops to cleaning bathrooms and floors. And because they're customizable, you can tailor your cleaning products to your specific needs, such as making a disinfectant spray or a glass cleaner. Frugal living tip 5. Embrace minimalist living. Minimalist living is about living intentionally and simplifying your life by focusing on what's truly important to you. It involves decluttering your home, getting rid of unnecessary possessions, and creating more space and time for the things that matter most. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle, you can save money and reduce your environmental footprint. When you buy less, you save money on purchases and reduce the amount of waste you produce. Plus, by decluttering your home, you can create a more peaceful and calming environment that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. One of the most significant benefits of minimalist living is that it can help you prioritize your spending and focus on the things that truly matter to you. Instead of spending money on impulse purchases or the latest trends, you can save your money for experiences that bring you joy and fulfillment, such as travel, hobbies, or time with loved ones. Embracing minimalist living doesn't mean giving up all your possessions or living in an empty room. It's about finding a balance that works for you and living with intention and purpose. Whether it's downsizing your wardrobe or reducing the number of gadgets in your home, there are countless ways to incorporate minimalist living into your life. Frugal living tip. Learning to repair and maintain your items can be a rewarding and empowering experience. It not only saves you money, but also teaches you new skills and helps you appreciate the value of the things you own. Plus, by repairing items, you reduce waste and make a positive impact on the environment. There are countless items in your home that you can learn to repair and maintain, from clothing and shoes to appliances and electronics. Simple tasks like sewing on a button or patching a hole in a pair of jeans can extend the life of your clothing, while learning to fix appliances like your vacuum or washing machine can save you hundreds of dollars on repairs or replacement. You don't have to be an expert to start learning how to repair and maintain your items. There are countless resources available, from online tutorials to classes and workshops. By taking the time to learn these skills, you'll not only save money but also gain a sense of satisfaction and pride in being able to fix and maintain your own belongings. Frugal living tip 7. Use public transportation or carpool. Transportation is an essential part of daily life, but it can also be a significant expense. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or traveling for pleasure, the cost of gas, maintenance, and insurance can add up quickly. But there are ways to save money and reduce your impact on the environment by using public transportation or carpooling. Using public transportation, such as buses, trains, and subways, can be a cost-effective way to get around. Many cities have extensive public transportation networks that cover a wide area, making it easy to reach your destination without the hassle of driving and parking. Plus, you can use your travel time to catch up on reading, work, or simply relax. Carpooling is another way to save money and reduce your environmental footprint. By sharing a ride with others, you can split the cost of gas and parking and reduce the number of cars on the road, which helps reduce traffic congestion and air pollution. You can also use the carpool lane on highways, which can save time and make your commute more efficient. In addition to saving money, using public transportation or carpooling can have other benefits. For example, you can meet new people and expand your social network, and you can reduce stress by not having to deal with the challenges of driving in traffic. Frugal living tip 8. Buy in bulk. One of the best places to buy in bulk is at wholesale stores such as Costco, Sam's Club, or BJ's Wholesale Club. These stores offer a wide variety of products, from groceries to electronics, at prices that are often lower than traditional retailers. Plus, they often have their own branded products that are even more affordable than name brand items. Buying in bulk doesn't mean you have to sacrifice quality or variety. Many stores offer organic and natural products in bulk, as well as ethnic and specialty items that may be hard to find elsewhere. Just be sure to check the expiration date and make sure you can use the products before they go bad. When buying in bulk, it's essential to have a plan and be mindful of what you're purchasing. It can be easy to get carried away and buy items that you don't really need, which can lead to waste and clutter in your home. Consider making a shopping list and sticking to it, and try to buy items that you know you will use regularly. Buying in bulk can also be a time saver. You'll spend less time running to the store and restocking, and you can stock up on items that you use frequently, reducing the number of trips you need to make. Frugal living tip 9. Reduce energy consumption. One of the simplest ways to reduce energy consumption is to turn off lights and electronics when they're not in use. This can include unplugging chargers and appliances when they're not being used, turning off lights when leaving a room, and setting electronics to power-saving mode when not in use. They may seem small, but these actions can add up to significant energy savings over time. Another way to reduce energy consumption is to upgrade to energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. Energy-efficient appliances such as refrigerators and washing machines use less energy than older models, leading to long-term savings on your utility bills. Energy-efficient light bulbs, such as LED bulbs, use less energy and last longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. In addition to upgrading appliances and light bulbs, improving your home's insulation and sealing any air leaks can also reduce energy consumption. This can include adding insulation to your attic, sealing air leaks around doors and windows, and installing weather stripping. These improvements can help keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, reducing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home. Reducing energy consumption can also involve changing your habits, such as taking shorter showers, washing clothes in cold water, and using a programmable thermostat to adjust the temperature when you're not home. These small changes can add up to significant energy savings over time, making it a frugal and environmentally friendly option. Frugal living tip 8. Shop out of season. If you're in the market for winter coats, you may be able to find great deals on coats in the spring and summer months when retailers are looking to clear out their inventory. The same goes for summer items like swimsuits and outdoor gear. By shopping out of season, you can often find high-quality items at a fraction of their original cost. Shopping out of season can also be a smart way to plan for future needs. If you know you'll need a new winter coat next year, for example, you can start shopping for it during the off-season to take advantage of sales and discounts. This can help you save money in the long run and avoid paying full price for items when you need them. One important thing to keep in mind when shopping out of season is to be patient and do your research. It can take time to find the right deals and discounts, so don't rush into a purchase just because it's on sale. Take the time to compare prices, read reviews, and make sure you're getting a good deal on a high-quality item. Another helpful tip when shopping out of season is to consider buying items that are timeless and versatile. While it can be tempting to go for trendy items or pieces that are in style at the moment, these items may not be as useful or practical in the long run. Instead, look for items that are classic and versatile, such as a neutral coat or a timeless piece of furniture that you can use and enjoy for years to come. By implementing these frugal living tips, you can save money without sacrificing your quality of life. It's important to remember that small changes can have a big impact on your financial well-being.